Welcome back to Vlogmas. It is late. It's 3:30. We watched church from home this morning, and then I had to go up to my parents' house and help them feed I had to go feed their turkeys and chickens and then feed the birds and bring a table in for my dad and all of that good stuff. I'm back home now. I still need to edit the video from last night and get that uploaded. I forgot to end that vlog, so I'm gonna have to end that vlog before I can edit it fully. But that needs to go up in an hour and a half, so I have to do that. But right now, my honey wants me to make him some tuna fish sandwiches, so I'm going to do that. I think tonight, I want to put the candy canes on the tree. I would like to wrap some presents, but I don't know if that's going to happen. And I also would like to finish the ornaments that I'm making for everyone on the hill. Let me show you. I bought these from Hobby Lobby, and they come with like a protector on it or whatever that you have to peel off. And then I went and printed off some pictures of all of the families that come to the Christmas play, and I'm going to make ornaments like this. Do you see that? Look how cool that's gonna be. I have 16, I believe I have to make. I also wanted to make ornaments with my dogs today, but I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. I might have to do that a different day. My dad already asked me to come sit with my mom tomorrow because he has to go and do some stuff. So I want to try and get as much done today as possible. So then when I have to go up there tomorrow, I think around 10, I will have like a lot of my stuff done because I will probably be up there majority of the day. So yeah, but right now we're gonna make some tuna fish sandwiches. This is what is left of their gingerbread houses. Maria ate hers last night. I threw mine away this morning because I wasn't about to eat it. This was Antonio's. He destroyed his house. This was Abby's. She destroyed part of her house and I don't know. And then there's Nico's. It looks like he ate the stuff off his walls and then that was it, but yeah. Let's make a tuna fish sandwich. I'm gonna make one for myself too. Why not?
Darling, I got you on my mind.
I got the vlog from yesterday edited and it is currently uploading. So hopefully that will be up in the next hour. So it might be an hour late. Leo is playing with the puppies and he is having fun, and the puppies are having a blast. They are wore out. So hopefully they all sleep throughout the night. That would be awesome. Casper can't get off the couch. Look. He's scared to jump down. Casper, can you not get down? Come on, Casper. Come on. Oh, you did it! You did it, buddy! Yay! Whoa, Leo. Are you having fun playing with them? You are. Leo loves to play with dogs. Let's go check on the dogs. We did get a little bit of snow. Where are they? There's Leo. Look at him. He has like one of the kids' socks. Where's the other ones? Oh, they're over there. I don't know if you can see them. Little Casper. And Lou. So Lou is the darker one and Casper is the lighter puppy. Lou right there, he found his forever home. He leaves on the 23rd. And Casper hasn't found a home yet. He's still looking. Where is he? People are a little nervous about his color, and I'm kind of confused because his coloring is just a little bit lighter than his siblings, but look at them. They're chasing Leo around. They are going to sleep so good tonight. Heck yeah, this was a great idea. It is 5:18 right now. I have to pick my daughter up sometime tonight. I'm not sure when. She went, well, she was supposed to go snowboarding with her friends, but she tried snowboarding, which wasn't her first time because we went snowboarding in Colorado and she did really good when we went there. But today she said that she did not like it. She hurt her leg pretty bad snowboarding, so she switched it out for skis instead. So she went skiing. So her friend is going to drop her off at the Dollar General, and then I will have to pick her up from there. I'll be doing that. I was going to make supper, but Maria's not here. Abby's leaving to go to the movies because it's one of her friends' birthdays. So it's just the boys, Chris and I, and Chris just had some tuna sandwiches, and then I had one. So I don't know if I should make anything. Maybe we'll just have leftovers. There's hubby. The dogs have all ate, so they are just resting right now. After they are done, I let them rest for about an hour after they get done eating, and then I will let them outside and let them play. So right now I am going to make the ornaments. I have all of the pictures printed off, so now I just got to cut them and glue them. I'm not sure how I'm going to get them on here, but we'll see.
Shepherds were resting when all at once the flashing of lights, the chorus of angels were singing, glory to God in the highest.
Julia got a hold of me and I had to go pick her up. So I picked her up, and then while I was there, I got myself one of these breakfast bowls because I'm hungry and we're just having leftovers for supper tonight. All of the puppies are out and they're having fun. I got a lot of these, well, I got all of them done, and now I'm just working on the back and I'm just sealing it with the Mod Podge. But look at that ornament. I think it's gonna look cute when it's done. I do have to take the film off. The film isn't off them yet. Let me show you the one that does have the film off. So this one has the film off. Do you see? You can see the picture better. But yeah. So I have one of them for everyone on the hill. Oh, so the hill, you guys are probably like, what the heck is the hill? So most of my family live on the same road, and my aunt called it the hill because there's like a little bit of a hill, I guess. So now we just call it the hill. We used to do a Christmas play on Christmas Eve, but now we do it the day before Christmas Eve. The younger kids put on a Christmas play, and then afterwards we go and eat. We have like a big potluck type of thing going on, and then we exchange gifts. So my gifts are gonna be these ornaments that I'm making with some chocolate chip cookies that I have to make, and I'm thinking about making them on Friday is my game plan. Yeah, these are the ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.49, but I got it 50% off, so they were only $2.25 or something. They are the acrylic ornaments. They look like this, and you get 10 of them in a pack. So they look like this. You don't get the string with it, so you have to buy that separately, but I don't know. I think this would be a really awesome Christmas present. Like I said, if you can get it half off like I did, you will only be spending, oh gosh, they're not even 50 cents. I thought they were like 50 cents a piece, and they're not. I mean, it's cheap, you guys. It's very cheap for these. So you just have to have a printer too. The reason why I did black and white is because my printer said I was out of black ink. So I picked up black ink, and then I went to print off one of the pictures, and it then told me I was out of pink and yellow. So I just ended up doing them in black and white, and I think they look awesome. I do. I'm kind of happy with the black and white pictures. But I'm going to just continue working on these, eat my supper. I tried to upload the video, but it didn't work. So I have to do that again. So that vlog will go up in the morning, and this vlog will go up at night. But it's currently 8:05. I'm going to, like I said, finish these up, or get these to the point that I'm done, and then I will finish them up tomorrow. And I'm gonna continue eating my food. I found these people on YouTube. They are Julia and Hunter, I think. I can't see it from here. Julia and Hunter on YouTube. I have been loving watching their vlogs today. They do Vlogmas, but I think they only do 12 days of Vlogmas. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna continue watching them while I eat and make these ornaments. Antonio made me some popcorn. I'm still working on the ornaments. I got them done. They're just drying some, and then I can take the film off and then put the ribbon on so they can get hung, and then they will be completed.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve.
am done with the ornaments, and now we're going to put the candy canes on the tree fast.
Oh, these must
Before I go to bed, because my back is killing me, people.
Oh, these must be
The candles light in the decade malls, but something's missing. I wonder what this year I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas.
Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog here, but before I do that, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. Let me show you guys what you will win in today's giveaway. You will win this e.l.f. sponge. You're gonna win the Makeup Revolution So Peachy Soap Brow Tint. Now that my computer turned off, it should be a lot quieter. NYX the Brow Glue. You're going to get Believe Beauty High Definition Skinny Mascara. You're also going to get a Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. Two sets of eyelashes. You're gonna get some more mascara. So if you like mascara, this is your giveaway. You're gonna get the Pretty Vulgar Extreme Volume Mascara, a Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Happy. And last, you're gonna get a MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This one is really nice for your lower lashes. It is my favorite. Well, it was my favorite until I went cruelty free. But anyways, that is everything in today's giveaway. All you need to do to be entered into today's giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all of the instructions down below just in case I forget anything. But yeah, holy heck, I got a pimple. That looks attractive. But anyways, I am extremely tired and I want to go to bed. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.